To enable single tap mode in order to accept or reject calls in Samsung, go to settings, go to this option accessibility, go to this option interaction and dexterity, enable this option assistant menu. Now once you enable this option, you can see this assistant menu icon. Tap on it. Now scroll this to the left, tap on this option menu settings, and you can select this option single tap to swipe. So after that, what I will do, I will close this one, and if I want to hide this assistant menu, I can tap and hold and then drag and leave to this option hide here. Now next time when you receive a call, you can just tap either to accept or reject calls. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.